Mesa, Arizona at my shop. It's called CGI Autos. And we got this really cool door seal from AoonuAuto. I hope I said it right. And this is actually custom made for the Hummer. So it could say whatever your Jeep's name is, whatever your Hummer's name is. It could say, you know, Little Rider, Rough Quarry, Wolfwagon, whatever your vehicle's name is. They come in solid colors and color changing. This one is going to be color changing. It's going to, you know, go a bunch, sweep back and forth, a bunch of different colors. Today I'm going to show you how to install this simple and easy. It comes with pretty much everything in the kit. So this right here is a simple little test light that you can use to find the power to tap into this. So I'm gonna put these down, pull up the door seal right here, nice easy clips, pull back the weather stripping, and now we have access to lay down the actual door seal that's color changing right here. I cleaned all the surface. You always want to make sure you clean a surface before you lay any 3M tape. It comes with 3M tape already put onto the surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this back. Right. And I'm going to find this flat spot on the vehicle. And they actually I sent them measurements of the actual vehicle, and they custom made it to the measurements I sent them, which was pretty cool, I thought. So you want to lay it down nice and even, right? You don't want the gap to be larger in between here than here. You want it to be even. Notice how it's nice and even. And I left the protective tape down so it doesn't get scratched up while I'm installing it. I lay the wire down nice and neat in between here. Put the weather stripping back on. And I'm able to actually tuck that wire back down into that weather stripping so it's hardly visible, nice and clean. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to ground out this test light. And I'm going to find out which one is the hot wire. So is this the hot? Nope, that's not it. Because it would turn off and on with the switch that I'm hitting for the courtesy lights. Because this is going to be hooked up to your courtesy lights. Your courtesy lights are going to be your dome light, your map lights that are going to turn on with the door when you open the door. So it's going to be real nice and clean. When you open the door, this light's going to turn on. So let me find the wire. Okay, so I got a hot wire. So whenever the light turns on, you know you have a positive connection right here. So I'm going to turn off. Oh, it coincides with the actual switch. So it's turning off and on with the switch. Now I know I have the hot wire. Now I need to find a ground. So if I know that if it doesn't light up on the test light, it is a ground. So I found the ground and I found the positive wire. Now I'm going to take the lead that they sent with the kit, plug it into the wire. Has a nice connection. And I'm going to take the inline taps that they supplied with the kit, put it over the positive, on the positive, and I put that inline connection that's going to self-tap this wire into there. I just slide that in there. So now it's got the wire in there. It's connected onto the positive. I usually like to use a pair of little pliers, and I squeeze that in there. You see that's going to connect our wire from the door seal onto the positive wire for the vehicle. Now what I have to do is hook up the ground. So we found our ground. Take the little inline connection that it came with. These things are pretty tight. Sometimes you have to use your fingers to open it up, maybe a small screwdriver. Pretty much everything you need comes with this kit. You might need a little screwdriver, a little pair of pliers, but everybody has one of those in your little drawers in your kitchen. So basically, everything comes with this kit. Wires, even comes with electric tape. Great kit. So I got that over the ground. Now I'm gonna put my ground wire into the inline connection. Use my pliers to get that connected on. So now that we hooked up our inline connections that we got with the kit, we got a working light. And you notice that this is a color changing light. It's going to have a flow motion to it. Fancy. Working. You're going to put everything back. Just the way you took it out is the same way you're going to put it back in. Snap everything back down and then repeat the process on the other side. It's going to be simple and easy. And then follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, because we're doing different stuff every day, all day, just like this.